Today we are going to solve this equation to find the x value. Solution: 4 to the power of x minus 3 equal to 18. We are going to implement the formula that therefore a to the power of m minus n equal to a power m by a power n. So 4 power x by 4 power 3 equal to 18. Multiply by 4 power 3 on both sides. 4 power 3 into 4 power x by 4 power 3 equal to 18 into 4 power 3. This cancels this. So we have 4 power x equal to 18 into 4 power 3. Now taking log on both sides, log 4 power x equal to log 18 into 4 power 3. Therefore log a power p equal to p log a. This we are going to implement here. X log 4 equal to log 18 into 4 power 3. Divide by log 4 on both sides. X log 4 by log 4 equal to log 18 into 4 power 3 by log 4. This cancels this. Therefore, we know the log formula that log a into b equal to log a plus log b. We are going to implement this. X equal to log 18 plus log 4 power 3 by log 4. Now 18 can be written as 18 equal to 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 3 square. 4 can be written as 2 to the power of 2. X equal to log 3 square into 2 plus log 4 to the power of 3 by log 4. Now we can split this as log 3 to the power of 2 into 2 by log 4 plus log 4 to the power of 3 by log 4. Now x equal to log 3 to the power of 2 into 2. Log 4 can be written as 2 to the power of 2. So log 4 to the power of 3 by log 4. Log 3 to the power of 2 plus log 2 by log 2 to the power of 2 by log 2 to the power of 2 plus this one log 4 to the power of 3 by log 4. So we are going to implement the log power formula that log a power p equal to p log a. So this is going to implement here. X equal to 2 log 3 by 2 log 2 plus log 2 by 2 log 2 plus this one is 3 log 4 by log 4. this log 4 cancels this log 2 cancels this 2 cancels this. So we have x equal to log 3 by log 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 3. Therefore, we know the formula that log a by log b equal to log a base b. We are going to implement this here. X equal to log 3 base 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 3. This is the x. We are going to verify that with the equation. Let us verify. 4 to the power of x minus 3 equal to 18. Now we know the x equal to log 3 base 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 3. So 4 to the power of log 3 base 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 3 minus 3 equal to 18. This cancels this. So we have 4 to the power of log 3 base 2 plus 1 by 2 equal to 18. Therefore, we know the formula that a power m plus n equal to a power m into a power n. We are going to implement this here. So 4 power log 3 base 2 into 4 power 1 by 2 equal to 18. This 4 can be written as 2 to the power of 2 log 3 base 2, same way 2 to the power of 2 into 1 by 2 equal to 18. This 2 cancels this. 2 to the power of log power formula. This 2 can be come this side. So 2 to the power of log 3 to the power of 2 base 2 into 2 equal to 18. You know the formula that a power log b base a equal to b. 3 to the power of 2 into 2 equal to 18. 3 to the power of 2 is 9 into 2 equal to 18. So 18 equal to 18. LHS equal to RHS. Thus verified.